Hello friends. Today we are going to install Windows 11 on QEMU in Virtual Machine Manager. Let's get started. I am using Zorin OS. Now open any browser and search Windows 11 ISO file. From Windows 11 official website and scroll down. Now select appropriate option and download ISO file. I already downloaded the file now. I am cancelled. Now we have installed Virtual Machine Manager. So open terminal and type these commands. Start the libvirtd by hitting this command. Checking for libvirtd service is running or not. Yeah, it's running. Now open Virt-Manager, which we already installed. Click on that desktop icon to create new virtual machine. Make these option default. Click on Forward. Now select the ISO file we downloaded in the earlier. Make these changes what you want, which balances guest OS and host OS. I am leaving it default. Check that checkbox. Now change TPM settings. Apply and click on Begin the installation. We need bypass the internet connection. Press Shift and F10 button to open command prompt. And type this command. Now let's install drivers for display 1980 by 1080 resolution. Open browser in host OS and search for Virtio Win drivers. Open first link and scroll down, find the download link and click on it and download that ISO file. After downloaded that file, open setting of guest OS in Virt-Manager. Go to storage setting and change the ISO file to Virtio Win file. Now in Windows, open File Explorer and you will file new disk with name Virtio. You will x64 file application file. Install it. After installed, restart the VM. Now you will find the display resolution enabled. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support and hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.